Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday, August 19th. Hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. Economic news, nothing scheduled for today, and tomorrow there's no economic news release is scheduled for tomorrow as well. The first big economic news will actually be scheduled on Wednesday, and the biggie to look for will be the FOMC minutes. So that will be released about midway through the day. Uh, so that's something to definitely keep an eye on, and that is actually what's roiling the markets right now. So the stock market opened up, but then now, so far this morning, it's become a little bit more mixed. Dow has had 3 days of down days, and we haven't seen it hit 4 days in a row since I believe it was a long time since like 2010, if I remember correctly. So it's been a while since we've had four losing days on the Dow. So today could be that we could break that streak. Again, it's all concerns about upcoming tapering, comments being made by the Fed. So that's why the FOMC meetings minutes that are being released on Wednesday can be extremely important as investors want to delve into, see what the viewpoints were behind the scenes from the different Fed members, the voting members, and give them any inkling as to if they're going to go ahead and start tapering into September's meeting. So that's a concern that a lot of people are putting money basically on to September's meeting, that they'll start the tapering process, and that's what's kind of rolling the markets. Even in Europe, they're starting to feel it, and you're starting to see the European markets get hit with this as well. Now, also, the Fed members are getting together over in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, and are going to be starting their meetings over there. So, they're going to be watching any type of news that might come out. Any comments are made by Fed members to the media tomorrow prior to the minutes being released on Wednesday. So that's going to be something to watch out for if anything news that pops up there, or any thoughts, or any quotes from Fed members that come up there. So let's go ahead and take a look at the bond market here, and right now it's looking pretty bad, pretty grueling. We're down about 56 basis points from where we left off on Friday, and after a whole week we've dropped quite a bit. So right now we're about a half a point in the pricing worse than where we left off on Friday, and that's kind of being built into it. So if you look at from last Monday, we've actually dropped about approximately about 3 points so far at the pricing. So basically in 1 week we've dropped 3 points in our pricing. So pretty big hit right there. All right, so let's hope for better news, and hopefully this thing gets corrected. Maybe Wednesday will shed some news on ease the concerns by investors. Hopefully we'll get back to some more stabilized pricing. But right now, the panic mode is still out there, and it's running more on versus not so much logic, but mostly on emotion right now. So there's a lot of concern, and also a lot of this sell-off on the bond market is actually coming from large investors like China and Japan. They've been selling off quite a bit of the bonds, so that's another item out there as well. All right, folks, you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching, and we'll again stay tuned. Now this week will be kind of big, especially coming Wednesday. Have a great day, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.